Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Transit, this is a 9-seat minibus, 9 seats, 2-litre diesel. It's a Ford Tourneo Custom. It's a 2-litre, it's a 310 EcoBlue Zetec Euro 6 start-stop. One owner from new, 120,000 miles, massive printout, one lease company owner. It's had over £17,000 spent on it, keeping it in tip-top condition. 2-litre diesel, just had its wet belt replaced at 119,000 miles, probably not for the first time. So, great history, one owner, beautiful condition, 9-seater, Euro 6, 6-speed manual diesel minibus, 2 sliding side doors. Belong to a local health authority. It really has been well looked after. So it's got front park sensors, front fog lamps, daytime running lights, wheel trims, nice little side steps underneath the sliding doors, privacy glass to the rear park sensors, excellent tyres. I think it had leatherette seat covers fitted from new, so the seats look like leather. Electric windows, electric mirrors, you can turn the passenger's airbag off. It has these seat covers, lovely vinyl seat covers fitted throughout. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, has Bluetooth for your phone, climate control and air conditioning. It is super clean. Got a fold down armrest with cup holders in the front seat if there's only 2 passengers, side opening windows in the sliding doors. It is immaculate wherever you look. Super clean, super well looked after. I don't know what I can do this with, but this seat obviously folds forward and then obviously swings up like that. Can do it with one hand to access the rear. Lots and lots of space. Okay, 3 in the front, 3 in the middle row and 3 in the third row. 9 seats, not wheelchair adapted like 99.9% of the Tourneo Customs that were sold. One owner from new. Lease company, full service history, 7-page computer printout of maintenance, at least 7 services, just had the wet belt done, £1,500. Also had a turbo in its life as well. Engine's running now, super quiet, super smooth. Good tyres, got sort of branded like Avon tyres all round. Sliding door this side as well. Very clean indeed. Lovely condition throughout. Nowhere to the driver's seat, nowhere to the door card, electric mirrors, electric windows, super clean, super tidy. In fact, I've got it dirty because I've been driving around in it, but it is very nice throughout. 2 keys with the car, beautiful quiet engine, 6-speed manual diesel, drives like brand new. £10,995, no VAT. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can flick through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.